Hey pottery enthusiasts, today we're creating something sleek and stylish. A slender mug with wide, elegant lugs. Grab your Artify pottery kit, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of clay crafting. First things first, roll out a piece of clay using your rolling pin, aiming for a thickness of about 3 millimeters. We want it smooth and even, so take your time. Next, grab a pottery tool and cut the rolled out clay into a rectangle. The length of the rectangle should match the circumference of your desired cup. It's time to roll that rectangle into a hollow cylinder. Take the edges and carefully join them together, making sure the seam is well sealed. Use your fingers to gently press the seam together, ensuring it's sturdy. Once the seam is sealed, patiently use both your fingers and tools to refine and shape the cylinder, making sure the surface is smooth and even. Step 3. Make the base and decoration. Roll out a new piece of clay. Form a circle slightly larger than the base of your hollow cylinder. This will serve as the bottom of your cup. Next, roll out another piece of clay and shape it into a semi-oval to create a decorative piece for the rim of your mug. Then, attach the circle base to the bottom of the mug body using a thin strip of clay to ensure a firm connection. Now, for the fun part, let's make the handle. Take a small piece of clay and roll it into a long coil. Shape it into a 3 shape to create a stylish and ergonomic handle. Attach the ends of the handle to the sides of the cup body. Use a thin strip of clay and tools to reinforce the connection between the handle and the cup body, ensuring a secure bond. Step 5. Add decorations to the vase. Take the oval piece you made earlier and use a thin strip of clay to attach it vertically to the opposite side of the cup handle. This will help balance the design and create a harmonious, unified look for the vase. For a more dynamic design, we can also add a small round piece to the handle. Feel free to get creative and add even more fun, unique decorations to make your vase truly one of a kind. Once all parts are attached, use a sponge or fine sandpaper to smooth the entire cup, removing any rough edges or tool marks. Let the cup dry completely in a cool spot for 3 to 5 days. Your broad ear slim cup is now complete and ready to brighten any space. Thanks for crafting with us. Don't forget to share your creation with #ArtifyPottery. We can't wait to see your creation.